Welcome back to Quiz of Cars. Let's have another brain-squeezing moment with BMW. Which one is the BMW i7? Choose the correct one. The right one is the BMW i7, and the left one is also a BMW vehicle, but in the Model X7 facelift. When the BMW X7 facelift has launched, 2021 or 2022? Answer: 2022. The BMW X7 facelift debuted in 2022 and will be fully available in 2023, as will the BMW i7 new series. Question: which car model is more expensive? Choose the correct answer. Answer: BMW i7 xDrive60. The new edition of the BMW i7 is $130,000, which is way more expensive than the BMW Model X7, which is $103,000. Question: guess the length of the BMW X7 facelift. Let's see if you can. Answer: 5,151 millimeters. The gigantic BMW X7 facelift is 5,151 millimeters in length. It's huge. Where gigantic BMW i7 xDrive60 length is 5,391 millimeters. What is the weight of the BMW i7 xDrive60? Answer: 5,986 pounds. The weight of the BMW i7 is 5,986 pounds, while the weight of the BMW X7 ranges from 5,370 to 7,319 pounds, depending on the trim and model year. BMW X7 has significantly more weight and height than BMW i7. Question: which model has the crystal console center system? Choose wisely. Answer: Model i7 xDrive60. The BMW Model i7 has a rear center console system with all switches designed with expensive crystals to give a luxurious look, whereas the Model X7 has a spread but standard diplomatic classic console system. Question: how many door control modes are available in the BMW i7? Answer: 4 modes. The Model i7 has 4 types of door control modes. One is normal switching technology, the second is sensor door control mode, the third is key fob control, and the last one is touchpad door control mode. Question: what is the length of the passenger display screen of the BMW X7? What do you think? Answer: 10.25 inches. Model X7 has 10.25 inches passenger display screen included media, portable Wi-Fi system, navigation system as well as driving clutch, and interior design changing options. Question: which one has the display key fob with a display? Answer: BMW X7 facelift. The Model X7 has a key fob along with a display where you can connect your devices with a USB port, and you will find different types of navigation systems including door service, trunk service, and cargo service as well. On the other hand, the Model i7 also has a key fob without a display. Question: the measurement of the BMW i7 wheelbase is? Guess the right answer. Answer: 3,215 millimeters. The new edition BMW i7 has a wheelbase of 3,215 millimeters, which is 5 inches longer than the other BMW editions. That means this one has the best balancing and steering capability of all. That's a really important factor for an electric vehicle. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more. Thanks for watching.